couple of years ago, I actually found a tick on one of my dogs, and it was like playing a game of Operation trying to get it off. Do you have any tips for pet owners if they happen to find a tick on their dog, or what they should look for when they bring them inside and do a tick check?
It's it can be difficult to remove a tick on a dog for sure because they often don't want you to remove the tick. It can hurt them sometimes, like it can cause some pain. So it can be difficult. You just want to do a basic pat down on your dog and just pet them. See if you can feel anything sort of sticking out of their skin. If you do find a tick, you want to use fine tip tweezers, and this goes for humans too, and get as close as the to the mouth parts as possible, and just pull straight up with some steady, even pressure.